So I suppose it's a little late for an apology, huh?
You suppose correctly.
Look, bitch. I need to know if you're gonna start any more shit around my baby girl.
You can relax for now. I'm not gonna murder you in front of your child, okay?
Does being more rational than Bill led me to believe you were capable of?
It's mercy, compassion, and forgiveness I lack, not rationality.
I know I fucked you over. I fucked you over bad. I wish to God I hadn't, but I did. You have every right to want to get even.
No. No. To get even Steven, I would have to kill you. Go up to Nikki's room, kill her. Then wait for your husband, the good Dr. Bell, to come home and kill him. That would be even, Vernita. That'd be about square.
Look, if I can go back in the machine, I would. But I can't. All I can tell you is that I'm a different person now.
Oh, great. I don't care.
Be that as it may, I know I don't deserve your mercy or your forgiveness. However, I beseech you for both on behalf of my daughter.
Bitch, you can stop right there. Just because I have no wish to murder you before the eyes of your daughter does not mean that parading her around in front of me is gonna inspire sympathy. You and I have unfinished business. Not a goddamn fucking thing you've done in the subsequent 4 years, including getting knocked up, is gonna change that.
So when do we do this?
It all depends. When do you want to die? Tomorrow? The day after tomorrow?
How about tonight, bitch?
Splendid. Where?
There's a baseball diamond where I coach our little league about a mile from here. We meet there around 2:30 in the morning, dressed all in black. Your hair in a black stocking. And we have us a knife fight. We won't be bothered. Now, I have to fix Nikki's cereal.
Bill always said you were one of the best ladies he ever saw with an edged weapon.
Fuck you, bitch. I know he didn't qualify that shit. So you can just kiss my motherfucking ass, Black Mamba. Black Mamba. I should have been motherfucking Black Mamba.
Weapon of choice, eh? If you want to stick with your butcher knife, that's fine with me.
Very funny, bitch. Very funny!
It's not my intention to do this in front of you. For that, I'm sorry. But you could take my word for it. Your mother had it coming. When you grow up, if you still feel raw about it,